kung gusto talaga natin na may tunay na pagbabago, kailangan ang paninindigan ng tao, ng isang individual.
Mr. Vice Chairman, at this juncture, may we ask Mayor Sebastian Basti Duterte to deliver his opening remarks.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Davao City. Welcome. So, unang-una sa lahat, salamat masyado kasi tinatanggap nyo ako as Executive Vice President of PDP Laban. I am very grateful and very honored. And I gladly accept this position.